Hello my little friends, are you ready? Wow, let's learn flying vehicles together. Let's go. First, look, this is an airplane. It flies high in the sky. Wow.
This is an airplane.
Second, here is a helicopter. It flies with spinning blades. Yeah.
This is a helicopter.
Third, look, this is a jet. It flies very fast. Wow.
This is a jet. Wow.
Fourth, here is a hot air balloon. It floats in the sky. Yeah.
This is a hot air balloon. Wow, this is a hot air balloon.
Fifth, look, this is a rocket. It flies into space. Wow.
This is a rocket. Wow.
Sixth, here is a drone. It flies with small propellers. Yeah.
This is a drone. Wow.
Seventh, look, this is a glider. It flies smoothly in the air. Wow.
This is a glider.
Here is a fighter jet. It flies super fast. Yeah.
Wow, this is a fighter jet.
Ninth, look, this is a cargo plane. It carries big goods. Wow.
This is a cargo plane.
10th, here is a space shuttle. It goes into space. Yeah.
This is a space shuttle.
Yeah, my little friends, flying vehicles are so fun. Let's learn again. Bye bye.